Welcome all of you. Today we are discussed about the numericals based on the transformer. Now let us see numerical number 1. A single phase 1.5 kVA 230 volt by 110 volt transformer used in a laboratory. Calculate primary winding current, secondary winding current, turns ratio, current ratio. Okay. Now in this example, single phase transformer is given, which rating is 1.5 kVA. Transformer rating is always given in kVA. That is, transformer capacity is given in kVA. Now the kVA rating is 1.5 kVA. This kVA rating converted into volt ampere. This K indicates the term 1000. Therefore 1.5 into 1000 volt ampere. This is conversion done because of the voltages given in volt, not in kilovolt. Our current is always in ampere, not in kiloampere. Therefore we always convert the kVA rating into the volt ampere. Now here two voltages is given, that is transformer voltage ratio is given, which is 230 volt by 110 volt. Here the voltage ratio is equal to V1 by V2, which is equal to 230 volt by 110 volt. That means voltage V1 is equal to 230 volt and voltage V2 is equal to 110 volt. Now this voltage ratio always given in V1 by V2, turns ratio always N1 by N2, and current ratio is always I1 by I2. We calculate the current I1, current I2, turns ratio N1 by N2 and current ratio I1 by I2. First we calculate the value of I1, in which we use the formula for calculation of current. kVA is equal to V1 into I1. We convert this kVA into volt ampere. That is, we multiply 1.5 into 1000 is equal to V1 into I1. Then now we transfer the voltage V1 into left hand side. Therefore now the equation is I1 is equal to 1.5 into 1000 divided by 230 volt. The answer of this calculation is equal to 6.5217 ampere. The answer of current I1 is equal to 6.5271 ampere. Now we calculate the value of I2. For calculation of I2, we use the formula of kVA rating. Input kVA rating is equal to output kVA rating. In transformer, always input kVA rating is equal to the output kVA rating. Therefore we use this formula. It is converted into transformation ratio. V2 by V1 is equal to I1 by I2. It is transformation ratio. Now we transfer the I2 to LHS side. Therefore it is transferred to the numerator, and this V2 by V1 ratio transferred to the right hand side. Now the value of I2 is equal to formula is I1 into V1 by V2. That is, we put up the values of I1, V1 and V2. I1 is 6.5217 ampere. The voltage V1 is equal to 230 volt and the voltage V2 is equal to 110 volt. Now the answer of this calculation, I2 is equal to 13.6475 ampere. Or we calculate the current I2 by second method, that is, in above step we use the formula of kV. Apparent power is equal to V1 into I1. Here we use the apparent power for output. Thus output is equal to V2 into I2. Therefore the current I2 is equal. Now we put up the value of kVA and V2 in this equation. The I2 is equal to kVA into 1000 divided by V2. kVA is equal to 1.5 and V2 is equal to 110. Now the equation is 1.5 into 1000 divided by 110. The answer of this calculation is equal to I2 equal to 13.6364 ampere. Now we calculated the turns ratio. The formula for turns ratio is equal to N1 by N2. Here the both values are unknown, that is unknown N1 and N2 also unknown value. Therefore we use the transformation ratio. K is equal to N2 by N1 is equal to V2 by V1 is equal to I1 by I2. All these are transformation ratio K. We use the transformation ratio I2 by I1 is equal to N1 by N2. Now the equation is I2 by I1 is equal to N1 by N2 is equal to value of I2 is equal to 13.647 and value of I1 is equal to 6.527. The answer of this division is equal to 2.09. The unit is not mentioned here because it is the ratio, therefore unit is not apply here. Our second method, we calculate the N1 by N2 by using V1 by V2. N1 by N2 is equal to V1 by V2. The value of V1 is 230 volt and value of V2 is equal to 110 volt. The answer of this calculation is equal to 2.09. Now we calculate the value of current ratio. The current ratio is equal to I1 by I2. The current I1 is equal to 6.527 and current I2 is equal to 13.647. The answer of this division is equal to 0.4782. It is also ratio, therefore unit is not mentioned here. The example is completed. Thank you.